I am Jed from GDK Veneering. This is just some of the work that I've sprayed today, and I'm going to show you a lot more. Obviously there's a team of us, but we do take turns spraying it. The reason why I want to do this video is just to let people know that it's cold out here. It was warm in the spray booth. Now it's come out and it'll be left to cure here. So the temperature is going to drop to -0, but that's a good thing because that means that it's not being rushed, it's not going to sink anywhere, and also it's kind of climatizing to the weather. Cold, it's just like being in your car. It'll be cold one minute, in the summer it's going to be warm, so it's going to be a little bit more stable. So this is just some of it. Like I said, an XJS, Bentley door cappings, and a Jensen piece that's just there. And if you follow me around here, there's just some more around here that we've done as well. The boys have been working very hard getting all this done, and also there's another spray booth absolutely chock-a-block with a load more spraying work. Tony's done really good today, by the way. He doesn't normally get a lot done, but today he has. And from here you've got MGs, you've got an MG V8, and you've got the Triumph Stag pieces that are here. Also Bentley door cappings and a Jaguar top roll, and also some parts of a Mini Picket, so that's a gear surround. And like I said, the spray booth is chock-a-block, that's also been sprayed as well. Now all this work that we've just shown you, that still needs to be flatted and polished on the polishing mops behind us. And by the time all that's done, it's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and follow us on YouTube. Bye bye.